What's up, you guys? Just wanted to share a quick workout session with you guys. I hit chest today. Many of you guys have reached out to me in previous videos asking, hey Ron, I wanted to build some mass. How do I do it? How do you do it? I'm getting back into it myself, stepping it up a little bit in terms of my own dedication and regular training. But you know, if you want to build mass, obviously you need the calories, but you also need the weight. Me personally, I've had a lot of success training every single day, hitting the gym every single day, and I know it's contrary to what a lot of people say in terms of training. You should have your off days and of course rest, and I'm totally on board with that, and I totally support that. Me personally, I just like going to the gym and I like to work out. So what I do during my no off days, and I do this whether I'm trying to build mass or trying to burn fat and get lean, is I literally train every single day. It's a great mental release for me, and I just love the way I feel. Get a lot of thinking done while I'm training. Feels really good. Now, what I don't do is I don't overtrain to a point where my muscles don't get rest. So I know I just said I train every single day. So how can you possibly get rest if you're training every single day? Well, what I do is I give several days in between for each muscle group. So by the time I'm back to the first muscle group that I trained, there's a good 72 hours, sometimes longer, in between when I hit it last, even though I'm training every single day. And also, I may just get to a point where, hey, my body does need another day of recovery, and so I'll still go to the gym, and more than likely, maybe I'll just go and do some cardio or something like that. So I'm in the gym and training every single day. It's not the same thing, and I'm still getting the recovery that I need to be able to build muscle, keep my body fat low, because obviously if you're overtraining beyond what your body can take, then you are subjecting your body to way more stress, and you know, with more stress comes more cortisol, as well as other hormonal factors that make you gain more body fat than you need to, whether or not you're trying to build mass when bulking, or whether or not you're trying to drop the fat when cutting up. So anyway, let me share this workout with you guys. This is my chest workout for today. Really brief. Hope you guys enjoy.